What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the name on your cursor account. If you currently sign up using your Gmail account, then it will normally take the name of your Gmail account. So what you want to do is when you create your account, click your profile on the upper right hand side, then click on account settings there, and it's going to take you right into your online or your web account there, right? If you have it installed on your PC, you'll be able to see slightly different version, but you want to go ahead and change the name from here. So once you're here in the back end, you will see in the upper left hand side, you will see your account name. You can click on this little pencil icon here to quickly edit. From here you can change the name. So let's say I don't want this to say Learn AI, but I want this to say Andrew, and I want it just to say probably Learn, for example, right? I can simply go ahead and add that and click and save, and that's it. It will now change the name, and as you can see, it is now changed. But that's it. You can always go back and change it as many times as you wish. So I'm going to go back again and change this to Learn AI. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. Once you're finished, click on save. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.